Hello, hello. All right, today I'm going to show you how to do a transition video, and I wanted you to be able to see it from both angles, so you can kind of see what I'm doing, and I can walk you through it. So you're going to see right here what's happening on my screen, and I'm going to talk you through so you can play along. Okay, so this one is going to be a clapping video, and the first thing we're going to do is go into Instagram right here. And I'm going to go into my saved content by clicking on the three little lines at the top. I'm going to go to saved, and then I'm going to go to audio. So I've already got this audio saved. In the Reels challenge, it's one of the options I give you, and I'm just going to click on it. Okay, I'm going to hit use audio. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is set a timer, and it'll let you listen to the sound so you can hear it. So if I go back a little bit, let it play again. Hold on. Okay, so the clap is really fast. So let's set the timer. And then I'm going to get myself lined up here. And then I'm going to just hold for a second. Okay. All right, now let's hear. Actually, did pretty good on the first try there, the clap. Okay, so now I'm going to edit the video down. Okay, edit. So that this is right where my hands close, because I'm going to open them back up and have something in them. Okay. All right, hold on. Right there. So just a little bit more. Almost. Okay. So close. I want the hands to be closed, so let's see. There, right there. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is go hit the blue button and come back. In here I'm going to go back. So see how it still has record time? We're going to align ourselves. So you're going to hit the menu button on the left-hand side of my screen. You'll see it. There's a little arrow. I'm going to hit down, and there is an align. This is going to allow me, when I hit that, you can see on the screen, you can very lightly see where my hands were. So I can align myself up. So I'm going to line myself up. Yep. I'm going to set the timer again so I can get it there. Okay, set timer. Hopefully I can do this in 3 seconds. Right about there. And the audio went away. It's been doing that to me a lot lately. So here's what I've been doing. I download the video by clicking in the top right hand corner. There's a little download button. It will not save the audio for you, but you can save it and then go back and hit start over, and then it'll be right there in your video, in your camera roll. So I'm just going to click that and add it. I like it. I want to see. That looks pretty darn good, guys. So that's how you can do a transition. You can play with the times in there and have fun with it, but that is one way to do it. Enjoy. What's happening on my screen, and I'm going to talk you through so you can play along. Okay, so this one is going to be a clapping video, and the first thing we're going to do is go into Instagram right here, and I'm going to go into my saved content by clicking on the three little lines at the top. I'm going to go to saved.